Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Um, all of you know that the holy month Ramadan has been started. Ramadan Mubarak, all of you. Ramadan is a blessing of Allah, and this is a precious gift of the Muslims. I hope all of you are fasting today. Ramadan intended to increase the self-control in all areas. This is including our food, sleeping, and also the management of our time. In this month, every deed multiplied between 10 and 700 times. It means that your every deed will be multiplied with 700 times, and this increase in your sawab. Ramadan is like the rain is nourishing the seeds of good deeds. Okay, students, and I hope that you are feeling proud when you are fasting. Yes? Now come to our today's topic. Today we will start page number 19. And before starting this, I told you that which questions and how many parts are included in our scheme. Page 19, question number 1, 2, and 3. 3 questions are there. All questions are included, but only part A, B, C, D, and E. Only 5 parts from each question is included in your scheme. Clear? Page number 19. 3 questions are there, and all the 5 parts, first 5 parts of each question is included in your scheme. Come to part 1, copy and complete. What easy question they are, only plus question, and you can do in 2 seconds because you know how to add the numbers. We have 2 ways to add the number. You can draw the lines in your rough column and then add that lines and write the sum of 2 numbers, and you also can count the number on your fingers. See on the ones place 1 and 9, 2 digits are there, 1 and 9. You can count on your fingers. If you can't do this, you can draw the lines on the rough column and count all the lines. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. We put 0 there and we carry 1 on 7. Now on the tens place we have 3 digits, 7 and 4 and 1 also, which we carry from the previous number. 7 and 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 1, 12. Again we write here 2 and we carry 1 on 5. Now come to the 100 place. Same procedure you will do here. 5 plus 1 is 6 and again 1 is 7. You see the color digit, these are those numbers that we carry from the previous numbers. Then come to the 1000 place, 8 and 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When we add 5 and 8, we got 13. We write there 3 and we carry 1 on 6. Now on the 10,000 place, we have 2 6. 6 and 6. 6 plus 6, 12 and 1, 13. We write 3 under the 6 and again we carry 1 over there. Now on the 10,000 place, on the 100,000 place, we have 3 number again, 4, 8, which are given in the question, and 1 carry, which we take from the previous number. 8 and 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And again we add the 1 which we carry, 13. We write there 3 and 1 carry. On the last place 4, 2 and 1 is there. 4 and 2, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. How much easy this question. All the parts are same. They are very easy and you have done this plus question from KGs. KG senior, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you are in 5. The answer is 7,300,33,720. In the same way, you will solve the remaining part. I did part D for you, and part A, B, C, and E. 4 parts are left to you. You will do this, and on the same way that I did this for you, you will carry with the color and also write the answer with the color pen. Okay. Yes, come to the question 2. This is also the sum question, but they write horizontally. First you convert them into vertically and then you add them. Same type of the question we done on page 4. Do you remember that? Question is given, or plus question is given in horizontally, and we write first in vertical and then we add them. In this question, I did part E for you. And A, B, C, D, you will do these 4 parts by yourself. I'm going to share the screen with you. Question number 2, part E. Remember students, in every question you must write the statement. That you see, I write the statement, write in vertical form and complete. You write the statement with the black pen and solve the question with the blue pen. But your answer and the number which you carry over there, you will use the colored pen for them. Yes, the first number is 465, then 2 crore 49 lakh 321, and the third number is 1092. Now in the first, on the ones place, we have 3 digit 5, 1 and 2. 5 and 1, 6, 6 and 2, 8. The tens place, 6, 2, 9. Again 3 numbers are there. 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We put 7 there and we carry 1 on 4. Now on the 100 place, you see there are 4 numbers. 430. These 3 digits are given to you in the question and 1 carry which we take from the previous number. 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 7, 7 and 1, 8. Then 0 plus 1, 1. And then again 0, there is no digit over there, so we write 0 directly. And same 9, 4 and 2. No number is there for addition. So our answer will become 2 crore 49 lakh 1,878. And the same way you write your remaining part vertically and add simply. Come to the third part, write the number which is 4,000 more than this. More than mean we add the numbers. 2 numbers are given. You see in each part 5,800, 20,000, 12,000 like this. More than this. More than this mean we add the first number in the second one. And we got more. E parts are given. Already 5 parts are given to you. And I did all the parts for you. Question 3 I done there. 5,000 more than 20,45,624. We write the number and we add 5,000 in it. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 0, 6. Because when we add any number with 0, no change in the number, the same number will be our answer. Yes, on the 1,000 place 5 and 5. 5 plus 5, it is very easy, 10. You put 0 there and carry 1. Now we have only one number there, 4, and we carry 1. 4 and 1, 5. No number under 0, no number under 0, no number under 2. So 200,50624. This is our answer. Come to the next part. 800 more than this number. 800 more than this mean we add 800 in this number. 1 crore 26 lakh 95,382 and we add 800. Always remember the number which is given to you more than you write in the 100 place, under the 100 place. 100 ones, I mean 0 under 2, 8, 0 under 2, 0 under 8 and 8 under 3. Add 2 and 0, 2, 8 and 0. I told you that if when we add 0 with 2, 0 with 2, no change is there, because when we add any number with 0, the same number will be there. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 0 is 8. Now the change here, because 8 and 3, they both are different. 8, 9, 10, 11. We put 1 there and we carry 1 on 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And no number with 9, 6, 2 and 1. We write all these numbers directly. Our answer will become 1 crore 26 lakh 96,182. You see there is a change only in tens and in 100 place, in 1000 and 100 place. Ones, 10 and other, all the numbers are unchanged. Yes, part C, 20,000 more than this, 20,000. 14,62,834. We write 20,000 over there and we add 4 zeros are there. It means that 4 numbers are straightway will be there. 4, 3, 8, 2. No change in this. Only the change in the 10,000 place. 6 and 2. 6 and 2, 8. Then 14. 14,82,834. You see, according to the comma, which place chart is this? Yes, Pakistani place value chart. In international, after 3 digit we have the comma. G, come to the D part, 12,000 more than. Now, which place value chart is this? International place value chart. 2,600,95,148 and we add 12,000 in this number. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. Definitely 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. Then 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. We put there 0 and we carry 1 on 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 is alone, so we write directly 2 is there. Now our answer is 2,700,000, 7,148. The last part, 900 more than 5 lakh, 5,600,000, 24,540. We write on the ones place value chart 900, 0 under 0, 4 under 0 under the 4 and 9 under the 5. 0, 4, 9 and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We write 4 there and we carry 1 on 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2, 6 and 5. We write them directly because there is no digit under these numbers. 5,600,000, 25,440 is our answer. We complete this page and I think it will not be difficult for you because you have already know how to add the numbers. I told you that you can count these digits on your fingers, or if you are unable to do this, then make the rough column with each question and draw there the lines and count the lines. And then write the correct digit there. These students, come to page 20. These are subtraction questions. All the questions are subtraction questions. In question, again, there are 4 questions on page 20, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in this page, each question, 3 parts are included. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, each question. Question 1, ABC part. Question 2, ABC part. Question 3, ABC part. And question 4, ABC part. Only 3 parts included from each question. Yes, question number 1, I'm going to share the screen. Copy and complete. Only question 1, I done part A for you, and BC, only 2 parts are left to you. Yes, the question is 1,400,96,953, and we subtract 200,000, 5,343 from the first digit, from the first number. Okay, in the subtraction, the same rule you will follow. You can count on the fingers or you can draw the lines and then write your correct answer. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, it means you draw 3 lines and cut the 3 lines. 3 minus 3, both numbers are 0. Both numbers are same, so your answer will become 0. 5 minus 4, you will draw 5 lines or count on the fingers. Then cut 4 numbers from there and 1 will be left there. Then the next on the 100 place, 9 minus 3. Draw the 9 lines and cut 3 lines from it. 6 lines will be left there. Then 6 minus 5. 6 is a bigger number, so we can subtract 5 from it. You will draw 6 lines and cut 5 lines from it. 1 is left there. 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, it means you draw 9 lines and you cannot cut any line because 0. So your answer will come 9. 4 minus 2, the same method, draw 4 lines, cut 2 lines from it, 2 is your answer, and there is no digit under 1, so we write 1 directly over there, and our answer is 1,200,91,610. B and C, this is your homework. Yes, beta, in question 2, write the sum of the, to answer these. There is a little concept about the greatest and the largest number. The largest first digit number is 9, because when we start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9, there is only 1 digit. After 9, when we come to 10, there are 2 digits. You can see easily. 0 on 1's place and 1 is on 10 place. So it means that 9 is the largest number of first digit, because after 9, 2 digits start, 10, 11, 12, 13 until 99, all the 2 digits we count. So 9 is the largest first digit number and 10 is the smallest, because the 2 digit numbers start from 10 and then 11 to gradually they increase. So the smallest 2 digit number will be 10 and the largest 1 digit number will be 9. Same, you see, I mentioned there the largest 2 digit number. If 1 digit number is 9, so definitely the 2 digit number will be 99. The largest 2 digit number 99, because after 99 when we goes to 10 goes to 100, there will be 3 digits, 1, 0, 0, ones, tens and 100. 3 digits are there. So 99 is the largest 2 digit number and 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. On the same pattern, when we move, we see that 999 will be the 3 largest digit number and 1000 1000 will be the smallest 4 digit number. On the same pattern, we increase the number, the largest and the smallest. Now come to our actual question. In your question, from the greatest 7 digit number. When the word greatest used, it means you will write there 999. And the smallest, you always use there zeros and 1. From the greatest 7-digit number, it means you will write how many nines? 7 nines. You write there 7 nines. It will be the greatest 7-digit number. And also they mention that in Pakistani system. Pakistani system means the number will be same in the international and the Pakistani, but only the change of the commas. In Pakistani place value chart, we put the comma when we move from right to left. After 3, when you start from the right, after 3 digit you put the comma, then after 2 digit you put the comma, then after 2 digit you will put the comma. And the smallest 6-digit number, 6-digit number mean you will write 5 zeros and 1, 5 zeros and 1. And again when we start from right to left, after 3 zeros we put the comma, then after 2 zeros we put the comma, and then 1 is left alone. You see on the screen I mentioned their greatest 7-digit number, we put 7 9 there, and the smallest we put 6 zeros and 1. Arrange the numbers and we subtract. 9 minus 0 will be 9, then 9, then 9. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9. Only 9 minus 1, 8 and 9. What is our answer? 98,99,999. When we subtract the smallest 6-digit number from the greatest 7-digit number. Yes, come to the part B. Find the difference between the greatest 8-digit number. Again, greatest. I told you when the greatest word is used, it means you write 999. Now, how many nines we need? 8, 9. Because in the question, 8 digit. So we write there 8 nines. And in international system, you cannot change the number. Only you will change the place value of the commas. When we start from right to left, when we move from right to left, after 3 digits you put the comma, then after 3 digits you put the comma, and then at the end 2 digits are left. And then greatest 5-digit number. Again the word greatest we use. Greatest mean again you choose 9 but 5 nines because 5 digits are there. So we write 3 nines, then comma, and then 2 nines. Now come to the subtraction. 9 minus 9, both are same. The answer will be 0. When you subtract the same numbers, always your answer become 0. Then 9 minus 9, 0. Then 0, then 0, then 0. There is no digit under 9, so we write 9, then 9, then 9. Our answer will be 99,900,000. Come to the part C. From the smallest 8-digit number. Smallest. Now the word smallest, it means how many zeros are there? 7 0 and 1. 8 digits are there. 7 zeros and 1. And greatest 6-digit number. It means we write here how many nines? Come to question C. Write in vertical form and complete. Now you see questions are given to you in the horizontal form. First you arrange them and then you subtract. Only A, B, C parts are included. I done part B for you. 2,360,000 is given and you subtract 38,745 from it. You see on the screen I write the numbers vertically. Under 0 I write 5, under 6 I write 4, under 3 I write 7, under 0 8, and then under 0 3. We cannot subtract 0 and 5. So we need to take carry from the previous number 6. We take carry 1, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5. When you subtract 10, draw 10 lines and subtract 5 from it. 5 will be left. In the previous, because we take 1 from it, so 5 will be left there. Now we simplify 5 and 4. We draw 5 lines and we cut from 4 from it. 1 will be left. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then come to the 100 place, 3 is there. We cannot subtract 3 and 7 because 3 is the smaller number and 7 is the greatest number. So you took one common from 0, but we cannot take 0, any number common. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. We cannot take one carry from any 0. So we go to the 2 and we take 1 from it. Now that this number come 10, you took one carry, then 9 is left. The next 0 become 10. Again we take carry 1, that number become 9. Then again we take carry and 9 is left there. Now we have 3 9s and 1 10. 10 and again we take carry 1 and 9 is left there. Now we have 13. 13. You draw 13 line and cut 7 lines from it. 6 will be left there. Come to the 1000 place, 9 is there because we take carry from 1. 9 is left, 9 minus 9, 8 is 1. Go to the 10,000 place, 9 is there, 9 minus 3 is 6. Then again 9 is left there, no number is under the 9. We write directly 9, 9, and because we take carry 1 from 2, so 1 will be left there. Now our answer is 1 crore 99 lakh 61,615. The remaining two parts you will do by yourself. Come to question 4. Write the number which is 2000 less than. In the previous page we do more than and we add it. But less than mean you subtract the numbers. The first digit from first number from the second one. 49 lakh 800,000 40,000 328. We subtract 2000 from it. When we subtract 8 and 0, 8, 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 0 is 3. If 0 is under any number, then you write that number directly. If 0 is up and any number is under the 0, then we take carry and we make it 10 and we subtract the numbers. See on the 1000 place 0. We cannot subtract 0 and 2. So we take carry from 4. Now this is 10. You draw 10 lines and cut 2 lines from it. 10 minus 2 is 8. And instead of 4, 3 will be left there because you take carry 1 from 4. So 3 will be left there. We write 3. Then there is no number under 8. There is no number under 4 and there is no number under 9. So we write directly 4, 9. Our answer is 49838,328. The same part of this question, 700 less than this. So we write 7. Come to part B, 700 less than 7,500,093,000 and 400. We put the 700 under the 400. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We cannot subtract 7 from 4, so we took one carry from the previous number 3. Now it becomes 14. You subtract 7 from 14, draw the 14 lines and cut 7 from it. 7 will be left. Now we already take one carry from 3, so 2 will be left there. 2, 9, 5 and 7. Our answer is 7,500,092,000 and 700. Come to the last part, 5,000 less than 52,13,864 on the same pattern. We put 0 under 4, then 0 under 6, 0 under 8 and 5 under 3. 4 minus 0 is 4, 8 minus 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 0 is 8. We cannot subtract 5 from 3, so we can take carry from the 1. Now there is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. When we borrow 1 from 1, 0 will be left there. So we write there 0 and 52. Our answer is 52,08,864. Alhamdulillah, we finish page 20 and come to the homework. Page 19. Question number 1, A, B, C, E. I done part D for you in classwork. Question number 2, A, B, C, D. I done E part for you from question 2. Now come to page 20. Question 1, only BC because we have done A in classwork. Then question 2, we done 2 part from this in classwork. And always remember, when you have the greatest number, it means that you write there 9. How many digits are given in the question? Suppose 4 digits are given, it means that you will write there 4 nines. C part for you of question 2. And that question 3, A and C part, we done B in the classwork. So beta, have you a nice weekend, and you will complete your homework, and then you can send me Friday till 4 o'clock. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.